Hey everyone, so is Dropbox showing a connection error? Maybe files aren't syncing, the app can't connect to the server, or you keep getting network warnings. Yeah, that can be really annoying when you rely on Dropbox to keep your files updated. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix Dropbox connection errors in 2026, and most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs a reliable connection to communicate with its servers, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network and make sure it's working properly. Next, restart the Dropbox app. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. This often resolves temporary connection issues. VPNs or proxies can sometimes block Dropbox from connecting. Try temporarily disabling any VPN or proxy settings, then attempt to reconnect. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking Dropbox. Make sure Dropbox is allowed through your firewall and any security software. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Visit the Dropbox status page to see if their servers are experiencing issues. If Dropbox still can't connect, try reinstalling it. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent connection errors. And that's it. Most Dropbox connection errors can be fixed by checking your network, disabling VPNs or firewalls, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.